In this video, we will learn the impact of the value-added tax on the monopoly and corresponding government revenue. The question is, a monopolist producing computers denoted by X, for which the total cost is 4X and the demand for X in the market is, that is market demand function P is equal to 20 minus 4X. After COVID-19, the government of India imposes value-added tax of 20% to generate revenue. We need to find out how much revenue will be generated by this rate of 20%. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. So, total cost function is being given. Demand function is being given. Value-added tax is 20%. I have written it 0.2. Now, what exactly is the value-added tax? It is a kind of ad valorem tax. Ad valorem tax is simply the tax on the total value of the quantity, total value of the commodity. It is not a specific tax which is being imposed on the per unit quantity. VAT is a percentage tax and it is on the total value of the quantity, and total value of the quantity is simply price into quantity, that is total revenue. Okay. Now, then what will be the profit function for the monopolist? Simple thing, profit after tax. Okay. So profit when VAT is being imposed, tax is being imposed, that will be equal to the total revenue generated minus the, I have told you VAT is a kind of tax that is being imposed on the value of quantity transacted. Value of a quantity is simply the total revenue. Price into Q is actually total revenue. Okay. So profit will be equal to the total revenue before the imposition of a VAT minus the tax, that is 0.2% on the total revenue, TR, minus total cost. This will be the profit function of the monopolist. Now, what is total revenue? Price into X minus, we have 0.2. Total revenue is price into X minus what is cost? Cost is 4X. Now, P into X, it is common. Let's take, P into X common. So we are left with 1 minus 0.2 minus 4X. Okay. Now, P into X means P is 20 minus 4X to this 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8 minus 4X. Then this will be the profit function for the monopolist. Now let's solve it. 8 into 20, it comes out to be 16 minus 8 into 4, sorry, 0.8 into 4 is, this is 8 divided by 10 into 4, so this becomes 2 4s are 2 5s are, so 4 4s are 16 divided by 5. So we have here 16 divided by, sorry, let me write it here. So this is our demand function. Okay. P is this very stuff. To this we multiply X also. I forgot to write it here. So we have X, then we have 1 minus 0. That is 0.8. So profit will be equal to 20 into 0.8, which is 16, into X minus, again this is 16 divided by 5. 0.8 is, it comes out to be 16 divided by 5. X into X is X square minus 4X. This is the profit function after the imposition of VAT. Monopolist will try to maximize profit, and we know the first order condition for profit maximization in case of monopolist is that the marginal profit should be equal to 0. That means the d pi upon dx should be equal to 0. That means we need to take the derivative of this function with respect to x, which implies we have 16 minus 2. 16s are 24. By power function rule, the derivative of x square is 2x, so 2 into 16 is 32. 32 divided by 5, x minus 4 should be equal to 0. So 16 minus 4 comes out to be 12. So we have 32 divided by 5, x is equal to 12, which implies x will come out to be 12 into transpose it 5 divided by 32. So we have 4 3s are 4 8s are, so this is 15 divided by 8. Okay, that means quantity transacted is equal to 15 divided by 8. Now what will be the price then? So price will be equal to, simply plug x is equal to 15 divided by 8 into that demand function. So we have price will be equal to 20 minus 4 into 15 divided by 8, which comes out to be 20. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, which is 15 divided by 2. Now look at karta is hop jan walo pun pandha, that's 25 divided by 2. So the price will be equal to 25 divided by 2. Then what will be the government revenue generated? So total revenue generated for the government will be equal to the tax rate times P into X. Okay, that is tax rate times total revenue after the tax. So our R will be equal to, tax rate is 0.2, so I can write it as 2 upon 10 into price which we got here, 25 divided by 2, 25 divided by 2, and quantity transacted is 15 divided by 8. 15 divided by 8. Let us solve it. I guess 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We have 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and let me write it here now. Okay, so total revenue will be equal to, R will be equal to, tax rate is 2 divided by 10, that's 20%, into price which we got here, 25 divided by 2, and quantity transacted is 15 divided by 8. So this comes out to be 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, so we are left with 5 into 15 is 75. 75 divided by 8 twos are 16. That means total revenue generated for the government is equal to 75 divided by 16. I guess this option should be correct. Okay, simple thing you must remember here, when value added tax is being imposed, it is a kind of ad valorem tax, and ad valorem tax is simply the tax on the total value of the commodity. Okay, so ad ad valorem, I am not able to remember the spelling. Ad valorem tax is the tax on value. Okay, value of the commodity, and tax on value of the commodity is total revenue actually. Okay, I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.